Subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix issue on your Windows when you see some DLL files missing on your computer, so how you can also fix that. So for fixing that, you just need to download this DirectX and use a runtime web installer. Here you can see that. So you just need to download it. After, just install on your computer, and I hope that it will help you and everything will be okay, so you will fix it like this. So just tap on download, and wait until it will download this DirectX on your computer. Here you can see that, and now you just need to run it. And follow all the steps for installing that to your computer. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.